This is November 3, Victor Echo Mike from Parks on the Air with your month ending April 2022 Parks on the Air update. Be sure to visit parksontheair.com for information about the program and pota.app for spotting, park information, leaderboards, and more. In Parks on the Air news, due to popular demand and a willing supply of sponsors, we have added 3 new DX Hunter categories to this summer's plaque event to complement the new DX Activator plaques. This brings the total number of plaques available to win up to 17. To have a shot at winning these plaques, join the fun on July 16th and 17th. More details are available from the plaque event menu item at pota.app. If you're a ham that happens to be into free and open source social media platforms as an alternative to the offerings of the large corporate interests, we're pleased to share that Parks on the Air and several of its volunteers now have a presence on the Fediverse. Look for us using the handle at parksontheair at mastodon.radio. And now for everybody's favorite segment, the monthly stats update. April's activity weekend gave us a nice mid-month boost, which helped drive the monthly totals. We had over 2,000 operators out who did 11,281 activations from 4,333 parks in 34 different DX entities. The top activators for the month were the same 2 individuals as last month, N2NWK, who this month did 278 activations, and W6ZD, who activated a mind-blowing 198 different parks. The top hunters for the month were K9ICP, who hunted 966 parks, and AD2CD, who made 1,598 QSOs, just edging out N3XLS. In POTA DX, we had a changing of the guard in Region 1. The activators in Spain came out in full force and edged out England based on the number of activations. Canada and Japan continued to hold their top spots in Regions 2 and 3 respectively. Our top DX activators this month were HI8DL from the Dominican Republic, who did 76 activations, and VA7DBJ from Canada, who activated 62 parks. Last but not least, let's check in on the progress of the Bailey Sprott Challenge. In 2021, N5HA and W9AV each managed to hunt a park every day. In 2022, we're following along to see if anyone else can match their feat. At 120 days into the year, we have 3 activators who have activated every day of the year, along with 3 others who may still be in the running pending log uploads. N2NWK, KE8PZN, KD4MZM, K4NYM, KB3WAV, and WC1N. The pool of hunters is now down to 36. To all of the Bailey Sprott participants, congrats on your success so far, and we look forward to seeing how you do now that we have passed the 100-day mark. This concludes our April 2022 Parks on the Air update. As always, the team at Parks on the Air wishes you safe activations and happy hunting. 73.